Emakosini lisedi khanyata makunda weshewe, guys. So I wanna ask you, right? Who of you have ever went to Usistembi to consult? A reason why I'm asking, it's because there's something I want to share, but I just want to hear your experiences, right? I've been contemplating to share. I did share this with only two people, which is my husband and my friend, right? My friend Ulondi. And she was like, no, actually share it. Yeah, well, and I'm like, so I've been contemplating to share it, but now that I've seen that she's on YouTube and the actual video that was recommended for me, I was like, okay, it can't be. So on the video, she's actually, oh guys, gaining weight, but anyway, on the video, she's talking about how as a person you should be yourself, and also doing what you don't believe in or you don't agree with. It's also not being yourself, and that can affect you spiritually and your ancestors. And she made an example about people who have family members that do not believe in ancestors, right? They Christians, and you end up going to church and doing all those things when you know very well that you don't, but because you don't believe in that, but because you want to fit and you don't want to be against them, then you do it, of which that is wrong. You must stand for yourself, right? That video, I could not finish it because it was very long, but I was confused. I was like, hi, Tembi. Is this the Tembi? Hi. Is this the Tembi, guys? There's a story I want to share that is very deep. But before I share that story, just to give you a glimpse of it, right? I know that Utembi's consultation is 950, right? And when you go consult, when you book, actually, right? You book, and I booked, and they confirmed the booking, right? And when I booked, it was like for the next 2 years, because Utembi has a lot of people. But when I booked, it was because she said it with her mouth that there's a video that she made to say, guys, people are being scammed. This is how you book me and what so not. 2 years later, they called me and blah, 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 blah. Okay, let me not get to the story because I'm going to give away things. But what I'm trying to say is that I did not consult, and I decided to leave because of like there's the reasons why, right? In Tomaing, I feel it right, I feel it right, but I decided to leave and vamos. But what I will share for now, before I share other deep things, it's that one of the reasons why, it's because she was insisting that my husband should be there. Even when I explained that my husband does not believe in ancestors. Like, people who know me know. People who trust, like, people who know me know, even till today, like till date. And I'm one person who I don't like invading. And if somebody does not believe in something, it's fine. And also, don't try. If you want to get on my wrong side, try also. Oh, sorry, I was about to break the remote. Try also to convince me that ancestors are demons, or they don't exist. I must believe in Christ. Then you will see my true colors. But do you? I do me. We are all fine, right? Hey. Then she went on to insist that my parents should be here because they're alive. And mind you, all these things that she's saying because she asked me. You are asked those questions before you get in. Okay. Guys, I'm going to give away the video, but so then she was like, because they have to stand, your family has to stand for you. So, meaning you can't do things alone without your family, even though they don't believe. So, that video, I was so confused. The same person, hi, man, guys. But there's something I know somebody's gonna say it in the comment section, right? Guys, all I know, and also people that I don't know, guys, if you know Tate Moholo Tsidiso, ne, please tag him because I know he's a medium. I don't know how mediums work. And I'm one person, I respect how people work, so I don't want to judge. Though I've got questions. Mediums nisebenza njani? Because guys, a lot of things were off. A lot of things were off. And though my husband does not believe in ancestors, he respects and allows me to be me. Even to that consultation, he was with me. Actually, he drove with me. He was in the car. Right? But a lot of things were off, man. To the point that the back and forth of sending the PA and guys, I'm gonna make a video that's gonna shock a lot of people who don't know, but those who know, and they will attest to that. Nihlola njani, how do mediums work? Do you ask me? Do I tell you everything before that? Guys, guys, people who went to Sistembi, Izan, please tell me something is not right. And now it makes sense. Yabona, those ones abayohlola kuMoja Love, I think they won't understand because basuke bahlola kuMoja Love. So questions they are asked, they thinking it's production. Can't it system you asking those questions? Guys, there's a video I'm gonna make after this video, ne? But I will make it should my video get traction, then I will make it. And should people talk, then I will make it. Other than that, I will not make it. I will just make it on my YouTube channel because I know my YouTube channel people, they engage. Those who do not follow me on YouTube, Koko Mahlabahlaban. Follow me on YouTube. If you don't see me posting that story, because I want to make a story that is very interesting. But yeah, tell me, Cheleni guys.